Take a look at this 2021 Cadillac Escalade Sport in crystal white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 3,000 miles on the odometer, 16.9-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6437A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.